Organizations have got a critical reliance on technology. So, for example, if an organization is allowing their employees to bring their own devices as well into the organization, these devices can have a lot of security vulnerabilities in it. Similarly, the use of IoT devices in smart homes and smart buildings can also carry a lot of security vulnerabilities as well. So the conclusion is that malicious actors can pose security risk to almost all aspects of the modern life. And the fundamental nature of the battle between attacker and defender is the same in all fields of computer security. A motivated adversary is constantly trying to misuse a computer system, whereas a computer expert or computer security expert is always trying to patch the system as soon as possible. So each side, whether part of the computer security team or part of the hacking team, they are racing to fix or exploit the flaws in the design or technique before the other one uncovers it. So we have a critical reliance on the technology, and we have to use the data to protect ourselves and improve our interactions with the technology.